Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change additional button 2 on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. In General Management, go to Mouse and Trackpad. Okay, tap this. Here in Mouse and Trackpad, you can see below the additional button 2. And the additional button 2 is set into back. And okay guys, to change the additional button 2 on your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is tap the additional button 2. And the options are show, okay? Now you can set into none or forward, show the app screen, home, recent, view notifications, open quick settings, or even open apps. Okay? So okay guys, I decide to change into none. And okay guys, go back. And okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the additional button 2 into none. And okay guys, so if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.